DJing, giving you the beats back that made us all. Call in if you got something good to say or even bad. I don't give a damn. That's 310-DAPOUND W Balls 187.4 FM on your dial, motherfucker. Call in. Caller, yes, you're on the line. Now what you got to say about that respect? Now you're dying over there?
That's
what it is.
This is John from John's Adult Toys and Dildos out here like what? You know, I like what you guys are doing, and I think it's pretty cool.
You sure you ain't dying, man?
But, anyhow, you know, we're getting a 5% discount, you know, with each rubber that you buy.
5%, huh? You should be giving up 50%. Much time you're taking up. Next caller, please. Let me hit somebody on the line with something. I hope you wipe your ass, man.
Hi, this is Monster Pooh from Gangstaz. We in the house. All I like to know is when you gonna be giving away some of them tickets. You know what I'm saying? And also, when can I speak to Easy Dick?
Easy Dick, you ain't in right now. You need to drink some motherfucking Lysol or something. The next caller number 10, you win the tickets. So just call in. But right now, we want to play the #1 song of the day, Respect.